Today is Monday. This is what the girls are having. They are taking leftover nachos from last night. So Damari likes Doritos with her nachos. So here are her Doritos. She has carrots, chocolate chip cookies, strawberries, and for her snack she's taking blueberries and a few Cheez-Its. For Dalia, she has the Scoops, Tostitos Scoops chips, carrots, chocolate chip cookies, strawberries, and for her snack, she has the vanilla wafers, the mini wafers, and they're just in this reusable snack bag. And then she has a Capri Sun. Damari has a Capri Sun. Dalia has her water bottle, and Damari has her water bottle right here. So I'm just going to warm this cheese up. Right now I have water boiling on the stove. So I'm going to put the boiling water into the thermos for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then put the hot cheese in there and then pack up their lunch. Okay, so the girls are gone, but this is what the cheese looks like. It's just Velveeta. My timer. It's just Velveeta and Rotel with some seasonings and stuff like that. And Rotel, if you don't know, it's like diced tomatoes and things like that. So I warmed this up really hot, and I poured this into their thermos, put that in their backpack. Put that in their lunchbox. So they are off to school right now, and I will show you how they did when they get home. Alright guys, so it's after school. This is what Damari ate. Damari didn't eat her carrots. Yes. She over there talking. She didn't eat her carrots or her cookies. Come here, Damari. And she ate all of her chips. Look at her lunch bag. It's so disgusting. She didn't close the lid for her cheese all the way.
I don't know how to close it.
Okay, that's fine.
Dessert.
But it was, she said it was warm. So, here for that. But her lunchbox is soaked. Come here, Mari.
Daddy wants to cook.
Look, now she want to grab cookies. Why you didn't eat your carrots?
Because it was too late.
Too much? It was too late? You ran out of time? Too full, too? Okay. She didn't eat her carrots or her cookies. So I'm not really worried. I'm not really upset because if she would have ate her cookies, I would have been like, okay, you could have ate carrots. But she didn't eat the cookies or the carrots. Here's Dalia's lunch bag. And, yeah, she didn't close hers all the way either. Cheese all over this, and she's gonna wash this. I'm not washing this. Cheese all on her container because they didn't close the lid. And you can look, you didn't close it all the way. I gave her a lot of cheese, so she ate a lot of it. Here, get that out of here. You gotta throw the whole lunch bag back in the washing machine. It's crazy because I just washed them yesterday. Open it up. She ate everything except for one little tiny carrot. But she ate everything. Oh, you poured your cheese in there. Cool. Okay, cool. Yeah, so that's how they did today. Damari, I guess she was full. What did I give her? Chips, strawberries. I don't know. I didn't give her that much cheese. As much cheese as I gave Julia. So I don't know. Maybe she was full. She did have snack time. Mari, where's your snack bag? Hold on. Did you drink all your water?
I did. I filled it back up. Yeah, I drank all of it. I always drink all my water.
At least her snack bag isn't dirty. But she ate her blueberries and her Cheez-Its. So that's how they did for Monday. We'll see you guys tomorrow. You guys, so it's Monday night and I made their lunch for tomorrow, Tuesday. Wow. So they are having sandwiches on the Hawaiian sweet rolls, and it's just cheese in there. I'll put the mustard on in the morning. Dalia has the Lay's or Ruffles, I don't know. One of the, hold on. Okay, so Dalia's having the Lay's chips, and she has some of these twisted Fritos in the bottom. So she's having her Lay's ranch chips with twisted Fritos in the bottom. And then she has strawberries, blueberries, and little mandarin oranges. She has vanilla wafers and pickles. And then for her snack, she has cheese and the Townhouse crackers. And Damari has the exact same thing on hers. And again, I'll put her mustard on in the morning. And they have the organic Capri Sun in apple. And then they'll take their water bottles, which I will fill with water in the morning. So that's Tuesday's lunch. I'll be back to show you guys how they did. All right, good morning, guys. So it is Wednesday. Let me show you guys what the girls ate yesterday. It's Wednesday morning, by the way. So this is Dalia. She ate all of her snack. And she ate all of her lunch. Damari ate all of her snack. And she missed a few blueberries and a few carrots and just a couple of chips. She didn't eat all of her sandwich, but when she got home, she finished that. So that's how they did for Tuesday. I'll be back to show you guys what they're taking to school this morning or today, which is Wednesday. So I'll be back to show you guys what they're having today. Okay, good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday. For lunch, Dalia is having a peanut butter sandwich, Cheez-Its, vanilla wafers, blueberries, and Kid Cliff or Cliff Kid Z-Bar in the chocolate chip. And then she was going to have a Baby Bell, but we left them out, so I had to throw them away. She's having the organic Capri Sun in apple and pretzels for snack and orange for snack. Damari's having a toasted jelly sandwich, so it's just bread and jelly. Cheez-Its, one cookie, blueberries, and then for snacks she's having oranges and pretzels. And she also has the organic Capri Sun in apple, and then they're both taking their water bottle. So I'll be back to show you guys how they did when they get out of school. All right, guys, so it's Wednesday night. Here's what Damari ate at lunch. She didn't eat her sandwich, which we already talked about, and she didn't eat her blueberries. Dalia ate, what was in here? Pretzels? Leah ate all her pretzels, and she ate her orange. You ate your orange, right? And she ate everything. So we're just working on Damari. Yeah, so that's how they did for Wednesday, and I'll be back to show you what they're having for Thursday. Okay, good morning, guys. Today is Thursday, and today the girls are having veggie burgers. Dalia's has cheese, mustard, and then her veggie patty is on there. And then she's having 2 Oreos because I went a little crazy and ate a whole roll of Oreos last night, and that's all that was left. She's having 3 pickles. This is kale and spinach, and I put a little Italian dressing on it. I was going to shred some carrots, but I just didn't feel like it this morning. Dalia's taking an organic apple Capri Sun, and these are the chips she likes to eat with her burgers, and she's taking mandarin oranges with blueberries, and she has her water bottle for lunch. For lunch. Juice for snack or however she does it. And then Damari's taking the same thing, but she has mustard and ketchup on her burger. 2 pickles, kale and spinach salad with the Italian dressing, mandarin oranges because she claims she doesn't like blueberries anymore. And she's getting water for her lunch today because she has not been eating on her lunch. So she's taking water. And then she has her water bottle for her snack time. And for snacks, she's taking pretzels and Cheez-Its. And she left her regular snack bag at school, so I have to find something else to put this in. The other bag that I bought. Why are you so oily?
Because I put some oily on.
And then Dalia's taking vanilla wafers for snack. Are you eating on your lunch today, Damari?
Yes.
Yeah, it looks good. You want anything else?
Yeah, but these are poison ivy.
No, that's spinach, girl.
Huh?
Spinach and kale. I just didn't shred it like I normally do.
We'll see you later, guys.
Look at her arms. Say, see you when I get home.
See you when I get home.
I'm eating on my food today.
I'm eating on my food today.
Okay. Let's go do your hair. All right, guys. So it is almost 11 o'clock at night. It's 10:55. Let me show you what they ate. The girls are already in bed. Dalia ate everything except for her blueberries and Oreos. She asked for those Oreos. I don't know why she didn't eat them. And Damari ate everything except for her little spinach and kale salad. She ate that in the car. She said she didn't eat it at school because she thought it was leaves off of a tree. I usually like rip it up for her and then put carrots on top so it looks like a salad, but I didn't feel like it today. So she didn't eat it. She said she thought it was poison ivy or leaves or something. But she ate it in the car, so she ate everything. And Dalia ate all of her snack. Damari ate all of her snack. And we have recovered Damari's snack bag, her original snack bag. So we will have that tomorrow. I'll be back to show you guys what they're taking for Friday. Today is Friday. The girls are having Lunchables, the pizza Lunchables. This is Dalia's Lunchable. I left hers in the package because she can do all that by herself. But Damari's, I opened hers, put her cheese in this. Her cheese is in here, and then her sauce in here. And then she has a little spoon to spread her sauce on her dough, right? This is her snack time snack. She has oranges and Townhouse crackers. And Dalia, for her snack time, has a zebra cake. And she'll have an orange. And Damari has, for lunch, this is her snack. And then Dalia has one of these. They both have their water, of course. And then they have juice in the freezer. So that's Friday. I'm pretty sure they're going to eat all of this. Hey guys, I also want to show you that this is Damari's lunchbox that I put underneath her Lunchable thingy an ice pack. So she has 2 today, and then another one underneath her juice. Keep her juice cold. And I did the same thing for Dalia's lunchbox. Damari, you ready? No, the other backpack, Damari. All right, guys, so we'll be back. I'll show you guys what they ate.
Yeah, and then going to school, they're looking at the backpack.
We'll be back. I'll show you guys what they ate.